Hello everyone, Adam Hurt is back, and this time he's going to be teaching tunes from his famous solo gourd banjo album, Earth Tones. But he's going to be teaching them on regular old-time banjo, so you don't need a gourd banjo to participate, but they're still the same great tunes that you love. This workshop series starts November 1st and is going to run 4 Tuesdays in a row in November, and it will be at 7:30 Central. But because it's on Zoom, all the workshops will be recorded, so you don't have to attend live. To learn more about the workshops and to sign up, you can just go to NashvilleAcousticCamps.com and click on the Zoom workshops page. And you can also just stick around and listen to the rest of this video to hear Adam play a little bit more gourd banjo.